Hello guys, hello repairman, this is Olivia. Welcome to Olivia Repair Laboratory. Today I would like to share with you how to repair X with the most easy and safe way. And during the process I will doing some explanation for you. And today I would like to with my professional engineer Jin to show you the whole process. Hi, I see one friend coming. Hello.
Hello, I'm Jin.
打个招呼。
Hello.
He is our professional Jim, and he is doing about this repair business for over 10 years. So she is very professional. Now he is doing some testing. Hello, I see many friends coming this live. Welcome to Olivia Repair Laboratory. Hi. First step, need to testing. I think also very familiar for you guys to do this first step. This side is broken very much. Now we're testing, so the LCD is okay, no problem. First step, we need to separate the frame. Because as you know, iPhone X series, the frame is very hard to separate, and you need to be very careful. It is very easy to hurt the frame. Hi, I see many friends. Use this card. Now, engineer is DIY this card. Do you also DIY during the repair process? Welcome to write some message to me, and I will answer you. I see many friends coming. Let me explain with you. Now we are doing the process of repair iPhone X with the easiest way. Now it's the first step, separating the frame. He used 90 degrees. How much temperature you guys will use during the repair process? And need to be careful for this liquid. We use the 1011. As engineer suggestion, this liquid is the most safe to separate the iPhone X frame. Other liquid, yeah, but this liquid very easy to separate the frame. This liquid will not hurt the screen. And I want to ask you guys, which liquid you will use during repair the iPhone X frame? Okay. Now just cut this side. This side need to be careful. Use the tweezer. Cut that side. Cut the front side. Because that side is very broken, so we use small liquid. Use the tweezer. If that side broken too much, you will need to be very, very careful. and use this card to help you.
这拆到这里的时候，我们停一下，先不要拆。
When you separate this side, you need to have a break
再来拆这一边。
and just waiting to separate the right side. Use the liquid.
啊，这拉的时候啊，这个力是往外拉，然后
When you push this side, you need to push
轻轻的往下
push
往下
out and push slightly down.
啊，放在这里的时候，
When you
我们就停下来，
during this process and have a break,
用卡片
use this
慢慢
card to slowly separate this side.
拿到这个位置啊。
When you
拿到这个位
separate
置
during this side
这一样。
and separate to this side, need to be accurate this side. Mark it.
啊，这是最关键的一步啊。
This step is the most important.
我们
You
轻
need to
轻
be
地
careful.
往上抬一下，
Slightly do this gesture.
啊，这样子拿下来。
Yeah, you make it now. The frame is totally removed down.
拆下来了。
Okay.
像现在热的，我们就把这上面的胶给清一下。我先拿指甲钳去。
And now it's heating with the platform, so we use the liquid to remove the glue in this side. I'll also show you around our training office. And if you guys have some confusion about repair process or something else, welcome to PM in the market, and I will reply you guys. Do you use this tool to remove the glue?
这里小心一点，不要碰到它的白线。
You need to be careful, no, not hurt the flat cable side. Thanks, friend, for your appreciation.
现在我们就已经拆掉了这个支架。
Okay, now this process is done.
拿的时候这样子，
Like this.
对，
Use this
拿出来，
mat to help you.
有点碎啊。我们再测试一下吧。
We test it again because here side very
直
broken.
接拆起来。
Okay. Testing.
没有问题的。
It's okay, no problem. be careful. In this side, maybe very hot because 90 temperature. The next step, we need to separate.
这么碎的情况下，我们必须要给它贴一个 OCA， 不然的话，等一下分离不好分离。
If the screen broken too much, so we need to use an OCA tape to stick with. By this way, the screen, if broken too much, the pipes will not hurt the LCD, so it will protect your phone.
这个可以防止那个玻璃碎啊，扎到那个触摸，或者是等一下你分到一半的时候，它就吸不住了，掉出来了。
Use this OCA to protect your phone and avoid the pipes into your screen.
一般我们分离的话，分离的话是从这边这一头分离。
If you want to separate, you need to separate from this right side. And wait a minute, he come to take the wire. During this time, we can talk a little. Because I know maybe now is near the Christmas Day. Do you have some plan for your Christmas Day on a Black Friday?
Okay.
I think these are very popular.
对，像我们这里刚刚
Okay, now go
拆
ahead.
的支架，它这里有那些残胶啊，这些
Yeah.
残胶啊，
Here has some extra glue.
这些残胶我们可以这样子，把它刮一下。
Use a knife to cut.
这样子刮一下，等一下那个钢丝就刚好进到盖板那里，不会失误搞到那个TP 哈。
Yeah, by this way, it will avoid the glue hurt to your TP. You can see these two corners. The extra glue is already finished. Now we start to separate.
这分离线我用的是0.04。
We use the 0.04 separating wire to separate.
如果有0.035的更好。
If you use the 0.035, it will be better. And I am asking which separating wire you will prefer to use.
这样子贴着盖板走。
Okay, now stick the separating with the glass.
贴着盖板。
Hello, friend Muhammad. I see you. Welcome to Olivia Repair Laboratory. Today, we share with you guys how to repair iPhone X.
这是 XS， 这是 XS。
Sorry, I mistake. It is XS.
这里特别碎的地方，你可以慢慢的划开它。
Be careful if the size is too broken. You need to be slightly
你
separate.
看现在它就吸不住了。
Now you can see the section. Section is lower now because this side is too broken.
那个力度掌握好了。
You need to be careful about your power to separate.
拿的时候要这样子拿，不要直接拿起来，这样子。
You cannot directly take your phone just like this gesture.
看这里好多玻璃碎，很容易搞到触摸的。
You can see this side many broken pieces. It's very easy to hurt and touch. Now after separating, we start to remove the glue. Use this mat to help it.
除胶的话，放这里会比较好一点。
When you separate, it will be better you put in this side.
先处理一下这些玻璃碎。
Now we deal with the broken pieces.
我们用这个83。
We use this 833 liquid.
83，因为这里还有那个 OCA 在这里。
Because here has some extra glue, do you see that? So you need to use this 833 to clean it. Just use this clean cloth to slightly clean this side.
不要太大力，轻轻。
No use high power, just a little.
这玻璃碎已经弄好了。下一步我们用这个，还是用这个83个上来把 OCA 细组。
We still use this 833 to remove the glue.
超级简单的，跟这个
Very easy. You can do it.
这样子抹在上面。
Just like this gesture to push the 833 in the front side. Just like wash your dirty desk or something else. Just oh, this temperature is 90. We use 90 to separate. Hello, new friend.
抹在上面等个10来20。
Just wait about 10 to 20 seconds.
好，我们先用手试一下能不能把它弄开啊。
We can try to use your hand to check whether it can separate by your hand.
这上面感觉还要涂多一点。
When you use your hand to feel, engineer said it need to more 833 liquid to push with.
这样子擦多一点。
Use small liquid is okay.
好，用手可以这样子弄开就行了。
You can see just by your hand. Just by your hand to clean some dirty things is okay. The glue is like dirty things and just clean it is okay. How do you guys will prefer to remove the glue during this side?
这上面小心一点，然后我们把上面弄开之后，我们就可以。
This front side need to be careful, and just when you carefully remove this front side, and the later process will be very easy. As the saying goes, when you do something beginning is very hard, but when you're familiar with it, it will be easy to cease. Do you think about that? I think about that. Hello guys, welcome to our repair laboratory. Do you ever try to repair XS before? I think we can talk about more about this technology or something else.
这样子直胶的话，不会伤到触摸，不会刮花触摸。
As Jim said, by this way, you separate the glue. It will not hurt your touch and your screen. It is the most safe way. Because many of my customer friends said, "Oh, Olivia, when I remove glue for a time and I test it, the touch is broken. How can I do it?" Today, do you see these tips? When you follow these tips, I think you will make it and no have failure rate. Next to Jing is the CEO machine. When you hear it, oh, this name is amazing. Yeah, I think this machine deserves its name. Hello friend, I see you. Welcome to my live channel. Now I'm doing some testing for XS, the whole process to repair iPhone XS. This is my repair laboratory, and share with you guys some tips. Welcome to send some message to me, and we can talk about the details about your confusion or something else.
你直接用手弄，用这个也可以的，但是这个容易这样子拉的时候容易弄伤触摸。
As the engineer said, you use your hand or use the glue tool to remove it's both okay, but by hand is more safer.
好，当我们把那个这里要注意，把这 OCA 去掉之后，我们不用这个了，不用这个，我们用这个，这是白电油。
Now we use white oil after remove the glue.
对，用白电油。
Use white oil to clean.
这样子。
I wonder which liquid you guys use to remove to clean.
现在就可以贴了。
Okay, now the amazing step is coming.
对，你问一下他们要不要测试一下。
I think Jim asked you guys whether he need to testing about it and show you guys. I think the answer is yes. I think so. 测试一下。Testing it, and you will see the whole process is safe and we don't like to or something else.
这个先关机啊。
show you around our training office. I think your laboratory for repair also very good and amazing.
这触摸
You can see the touch works well.
触摸不工作了，我们可以把它放掉。这种情况啊，它是这样子的，有一些你把这个胶除掉，它是出不了这个触摸的。然后当你把那个盖板，有一种情况是，当你把这个盖板压上去的时候，它又好了。
Sometimes maybe happen this situation when you remove the glue, the touch will works not good. But after laminating the glass in this screen, and it works well. The result we'll see in the later. We will show you. Don't worry about that.
好，我们试一下吧。我们压一个玻璃试一下，如果是出不了，我们再换触摸。啊。
Now we just use the glass to laminate.
盖板我是拿来。
Hello guys, welcome to Olivia Repair Laboratory. And today I show you guys how to repair XS. So I also wanna listen more about your guys' confusion. So by this way I can help you to fix it or share with you guys some tips or technology. By this way I think it will reduce your guys' failure rate and your success rate will be increased. And if you have some confusion, welcome to reply your confusion in the message part, and I will see all of your message and reply them. Okay. Now we start to do the laminating process with this mood. I wonder which mood you guys will use.
贴的时候，我们把这个排线弄一下。
When you laminate, you need to bend the flex cable side. Yeah, sure. We are waiting for the touch working. And now just happened this situation, and when we testing, when you laminate the glass in this screen and the touch not work, we will change the TP for you. Don't worry, the whole process will be okay, sure. Because in this side is laboratory.
对，有这种情况的话，有时候会出现的，但是你不要看到它触不了了，你就直接换了，因为我遇到过就是。
Yeah, I think so. That touch is so sensitive. But by this situation, you will not firstly change the touch TP. You just laminate, and you can test whether the touch was good. If the touch not was good, we can then change the TP. Do you understand me? Just clean it, and now use the glass.
这个盖板已经贴好了。
This is the original glass.
已经有 OCA 了。
It is with the OCA already. Alignment. Make sure they are in the right position.
轻轻按一下就好。
Yes, you are right.
好，现在我们放到。
It will work after laminate. If not work, we will change the
就这
TP.
样子啊，这样子就放这里，直接放这里就是可以了。
Just put this in the CO2 plus, and you can see this machine has 4 meter. I think it is deserve this name. This is the platform and 4 meter HLCD laminating, HOCA laminating, flat LCD laminating, bubble pressure adjuster, and this side have 4 adjuster to suit with this. So by this way, you will be very easy to operate. Maybe in the morning, you repair the edge, and in the afternoon you do the flat.
告诉他们这个放下来马上就
Very
要
easy.
弄。
Not wait so long
如
time.
果在这里放太久的话，它容易有那个泡。
If you put it for a long time, it will have the vacuum bubble. It will not easy to
对，好，我们
separate
选这个
the bubble.
直面
We
直面
choose
的
the flat LCD.
看一下这个时间，
And the setting,
对，
choose setting.
我们时间用20，
Sure, it can laminate with the IMB1.
15，20，15。
Vacuum time is 20. Laminate is 15.
这除泡的话，除泡等一下我们再看吧。首先贴出来看一下。
Now we just see the laminating effect and start it. You can see now only 10 seconds it will down to minus 105. It is 3 times function than other, because maybe by this way it will save your time. Very easy, very fast time to down to the most good, the best vacuum environment. So your phone will comes with low bubbles. Can you see clearly? It is connect with the 900 vacuum pump. The big power rate it is 5.5 L, and this is the big air compressor. So the power rate is high.
好，贴好了。
Now the laminating process is done. We test it together.
我们再来测试一下触摸行不行？
Now we test the touch whether work after laminating process. Heidi, do you use
我们
do you
贴好
use
之后，
MB1 before?
贴好之后，这触摸就好了。看到
You can see now is the magic time. Touch was good after you laminate. So when you face the problem, the touch works not good. By that time, you maybe feel, oh my God, I feel it. But you don't worry. You just try the next step. You laminate, and the touch will work good. It is magic time.
对，这样子的，有一些的话是我们放完之后，
Sometimes will happen
对，
this
它确
situation,
实是坏了，但是
and sometimes it
你
really
要观察
bad.
首先要观察有没有伤到它。
So first step,
四周
you
那个
need
线路。
to find whether the four sides
对，
flex cable is broken.
如果它线路没有损
If
伤的
the
话，
flex
没有
cable
损伤
side
的
not
话，
broken,
我
so
们就
just try
贴
to
好再测
laminate
试。
and test the touch whether good or not. Yeah, a magic time. Touch was good after laminating. So this is also the tip where you maybe seems like feel, but actually you not feel. You just next to the success step.
我们贴出来有这种气泡，用小的气
You
泡
can。see here comes with a little bubbles. We can no worry.
这种气泡可以不用除。
Actually, these little
对，
bubbles
如果你现在
can no need to remove.
如果你现在没有时间去除，
If you don't have
对
time to
要做其
remove the
要
bubble
要
or
贴合
do something
对要
else,
贴合其他的或者做其他事，你放在那里1个小时，这
you
个气泡
just
就没有
put it in there, and after 1 hour, these bubbles will gone. Do you see? A little bubble. No need to worry about that.
对
After 1 hour, the excess bubble will gone.
现在我们除一下泡吧，除3分钟泡。
We also can, if you have enough time, we also can remove the bubble. And we set about 3 minutes.
除泡除3分钟，我们就装支架。
After remove bubble process, we will install with the frame.
3分钟就好。
Now setting the time 180 seconds. Choose bubble, remove, and now start it. Yeah, thank you. I think it is also good work, and you also can do it. And I would like to introduce some CEO. Now the top one in our factory, this CO2 plus machine. You can see this platform. It is about 15 inches. So if you use the iPad Pro, it also can support it. iPad Pro 20.9 inches, 12.9 inches, or something else big inches for the Samsung Edge model, the iPhone flat model. All the models you can do it.
所有型号都可以。
It's also amazing that it has the full pressure adjuster. So, if you guys maybe in the morning you do some edge repair and you also need to do the flat, no need to change the adjuster again and again. You just choose the correct adjuster side and the edge LCD laminating pressure, flat LCD edge OCA laminating pressure, flat LCD laminating pressure will adjust automatically. What's more, inside the cylinder also has upgraded. So by this way, your machine has more power rate. If you want to your repair business be better, I think sometimes you also need a good assistant like the machine to help you. Now time is over 140 seconds. Oh, what's more? In this side has 2 button. Sometimes, as you know, people can, for example, repair 100 times, maybe the 9/8, or sometimes you will fail. So during the process, when you see, oh, I'm fail, it's okay. You just choose the button, the e-stop button. It will let your process finish and you can do it again. So no need to worry when you do some failure during the process.
好，除泡完成了。
Now, the bubble remove time is done. We can check together whether it comes with the bubbles.
没有气泡的。
No have bubbles. No have bubbles. Amazing time.
好，现在我们装支架就完成了。
好 Okay. Now the last one step. It is about the install with frame process. Yeah, as you know now, the Christmas festival and the Black Friday festival is coming. Now we have some discount for celebrating these activities. I will also write with the price in that side for you guys to check. And in additional, now the machine is with free shipping cost. We will be responsible for your shipping. And the package has been with the vacuum pump. The machine we will be with free shipping. Think amazing, huh?
好，我们装支架。
Now use this orange mood to install the frame. Do you use this tool? This is helps add the glue tools. It's like a gun. Just push this side and it will have some glue come out. Very easy to use with. Every corner, every side, add with this black glue to stick with the frame and the excess screen. Do you guys use some tool or the mood to make sure the excess frame is with the correct position with the screen? Hello, welcome to Olivia Repair Laboratory. Today I will share with you XS Repair.
这个胶打这个胶啊，打这4周就行了。打这
Just add with the four corner is okay.
对，这下面不必要打。
This side no need to add the glue with. Just the four corner and the four
这
side.
些地方都不用打，打了容易反泡。
If you pay attention, when you add the glue in this silicone side, it will be easy to come with the return bubbles. So no need to add with that side. It is a small tips I share with you guys.
装这下面先装这个排线。
First step, we need to be careful. You need to install with the flex cable side.
这排线是这样子的，我们首先把这排线
Just
对折一下，
bend this flex cable.
折一下，因为这里放在这里，这里刚好这里，
Yeah, and the,
不要用这个支架这里压住它，对，我们弄进来一点，弄进来一点。
yeah, just put the flex cable from the and not let them to meet with others.
对，
And just
我们装这一头先。
the front side, the bottom side firstly, and then the front side, with the ear net side. It is the tips. This is the last step. If we make it, and now we will make sure the repair access with the successful effect.
对，这个我们放进来之后，用手用力按一下。
Just use your hand Your hand is good too.
看一下那个
To push,
盖板有没有
to
在
push,
支架上面，
to check whether the glass
在支架里面。
in the frame together, they are together.
盖板要完全在支架里面，这样子的话，我们就
To make sure the glass and the frame is totally together.
对这样子。
And by this way,
完全在里面的话，我们再盖上就行了。
after that process, we use the mute
盖上。
to light.
盖上之后，等30分钟。
Just alignment mute and wait about
30分钟。
30 minutes. Yeah. It is a long time. I think during the 30 minutes we can talk something. Or I share with you guys the more details about this
其
machine.
实已经完成了。你30
Actually,
分钟
this process is done. 30
分钟
minutes later, I will show you the effect of this.
拿出来把那个胶擦干净就完成了。
Just put it out and clean the glue. All the process is done. 那这过程还有什么要注意的吗？
这过程就是不用什么注意了。然后我们把这个30分钟之后拿开，用这种用这个。
Here has some tips. After 30 minutes, you use white oil to clean the
把边
corner.
边溢出来的那个胶把它
The
擦干净。
extra
擦
glue
干
use
净
the white oil to
就
clean,
OK
and all the process is done. So today you make it successfully access repair. Okay, now I also wanna share with you guys.
用指甲，用指甲。对。
This is the platform of that you can choose from. Here comes with the flat LCD pattern, HOCA pattern, HLCD pattern. Yes, white oil to clean. You see?
530也可以。
Use the 530 liquid is also to clean. Which oil you use, friend? Forward. Okay, now go ahead. Flat LCD. Here comes with laminating, bubble pattern, and both pattern. This both pattern you can do the laminating and the remove bubble together. So you just wait. No need to waiting. And after all process done, you just open this machine. It's okay. Let's come to the HOCA pattern. He also have laminating pattern, bubble, both pattern. 用酒精可以吗？
酒精也可以。
Use the alcohol also okay. And also comes with the LCD, HLCD pattern. And one more is this side. This side is the power support rod. When the machine is working down, after laminating and remove bubble, you just open it. And here, this is specially made by research and department. It is the power support rod. By this rod, you will very easy to open it, and maybe because one day you maybe repair 200 or 250 pieces. So by this way, it will help you one by one, very fast. Maybe I think you can buy local, just the white oil name. Later I can show you the picture of the white oil. It is very normal. It just we use in a bottle, but the appearance of the white oil not like this. I will show you the photo. Okay, let's go ahead. iPad, all the iPad can support. No matter which one. This is the iPad Pro 12.99 inches. It can support it. The largest iPad can do it. or any other iPad. Here has many iPad. iPad Air,
跟 mini 4，
iPad Mini
正
4.
着放。对
Yeah, you can see one time you can remove 2 iPad Mini. And again, next.
这种是6
他说一次可以放多少个叉
，iPhone 叉放4个。
？One time can put at most 4 iPhone X. iPad can support it with the biggest inches. This is iPad 9.7 inches. On iPad, one by one, can do it. And maybe one time 4 pieces, iPhone X put here, and you just come outside to something else, and after it work down, your 4 iPhone X is okay. And I want to ask you guys how much power rate pump you use or the air compressor you use. And I have tips wanna share with you, because before I also take part in the factory. If your local is 220 voltage, 50 HZ, so you need to be with the right pump, 220 voltage, 50 HZ. If that's not suited with, it will be very easy to that your machine has lower service life. And if your local is 220 voltage, 60 HZ, and use this, need to be suited with. It is one tips to share with you guys. Sometimes not the machine problem, it is the pump you not use with the suitable, so it will hurt the machine service life. Okay, good night, go to bed, see you tomorrow. And I also share with you guys training office with Honor C and FC certificates. Hello guys, today the live is over, and if you wanna other models of some iPhones, you can share with me. Which model you wanna let us to share with you, and which model you have many favorite. We will fix for you, and one by one to share with you guys with the most easy way, safe way. Because as our duty is to let your repair business better and better. So today my live is finished. If you have some confusion or other questions, welcome to PM me, Olivia. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.